The history of sesame oil is fascinating and ancient. It all begins in vast green fields, where the sesame plant displays its small white or pale pink flowers, a prelude to the tiny seeds that, when mature, hold within them a true treasure, the liquid gold known as sesame oil. This ingredient has been valued by ancient civilizations for more than 5,000 years. It is known that in ancient Egypt, sesame was a prized element in the diet and traditional medicine. In Southeast Asia, the seeds accompanied festivities and were offered in rituals as a symbol of abundance and protection. The spread of sesame through India, China, Africa, and finally Europe infused every drop of this oil with history, integrating into customs and cuisines as diverse as they are distant from each other. The process of extracting sesame oil is, moreover, almost an art. The seeds can be cold-pressed to obtain a clear and delicate oil, perfect for enhancing subtle flavors and preserving all its nutrients. When toasted before pressing, the result is a darker, more intense and aromatic oil, which becomes the heart of many Eastern dishes. The passage of time has not diminished the value of this oil. On the contrary, today more than ever, sesame oil is experiencing a true rediscovery thanks to its undeniable benefits for well-being. But what makes sesame oil so special? First of all, it is a natural source of unsaturated fatty acids, including omega-6, which are essential for good cardiovascular health. These fatty acids help regulate blood cholesterol levels, aiding in keeping arteries clear and the heart protected. Additionally, it is packed with antioxidants such as sesamin and sesamolin, unique compounds almost exclusive to sesame. These substances fight free radicals, slowing down cellular deterioration and premature aging both inside and out. Not only that, sesame oil is also rich in vitamin E, known as the skin vitamin. Vitamin E has a regenerative and protective effect, promoting healing and giving elasticity and radiance to the skin. It is no coincidence that sesame oil has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for massages, nourishing the body through the skin and promoting relaxation and emotional well-being. And thanks to its remarkable anti-inflammatory effect, sesame oil can help relieve joint and muscle discomfort, both through consumption and topical use. Hair also benefits from its properties. Applied to the ends or scalp, sesame oil moisturizes, adds shine, and strengthens the hair fiber. Some even use it as a natural makeup remover to soften dry elbows and knees or to relieve minor skin irritations thanks to its soothing action. So, if you are looking for a healthy and versatile alternative, both in nutrition and personal care, sesame oil deserves a special place in your pantry. But there is more. The flavor of sesame oil, so distinctive, has secured it a place of honor in kitchens around the world. In Asian cuisine, it has been used with devotion for centuries. Light sesame oil, with a mild flavor, is ideal for dressing salads and fresh vegetables, adding a slight nutty touch that enhances without masking the original flavors. You can mix it with soy sauce, ginger, or a touch of honey to create a delicious dressing in seconds. On the other hand, dark sesame oil, with a deeper flavor and intense aroma, is the secret behind many stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Just a few drops are enough to transform noodle dishes, fried rice, roasted vegetables, or even fish into authentic delights with an irresistible gourmet touch. And if you want to enhance creams and purees, don't hesitate to add a splash just before serving. You will notice the difference immediately. Sesame oil also pairs wonderfully with a variety of ingredients such as avocado, tomato, carrots, or cucumber. Try it as a finishing oil on hummus, on toasts, or whole grain breads, mixed into dipping sauces, or even in desserts, combined with dark chocolate or nut-based ice creams. There are no limits to creativity when it comes to this versatile and nuanced ingredient. And if your thing is exploring authentic flavors without complications, let us extend a special invitation to you. We await you at Cantina 33, a corner of Madrid located at 5 Campomanes Street, where magic happens both in the kitchen and at the table. Here, Chef Sonny Montero has designed menus where sesame oil is both the star and the companion, in dishes that celebrate the fusion of traditional techniques, fresh ingredients, and an unparalleled passion for Oriental and Mediterranean cuisine. At Cantina 33, every recipe is designed for you to experience textures, aromas, and flavors that will transport you across continents and cultures. From appetizers that whet the appetite with subtle nuances to hearty main dishes where sesame oil stands out for its elegance, everything here is prepared with the talent and dedication that define us. Whether you come alone, as a couple, or with friends, you will find a welcoming atmosphere, good energy, and service that will make your visit an experience to remember. So, if you feel like trying the wonders of sesame oil in irresistible creations, don't hesitate to visit us. We want you to experience every bite as a sensory journey through the history and richness of this legendary ingredient. Before we say goodbye, we want to thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of sesame oil, its ancient origins, its incredible health benefits, and the countless uses you can give it at home. If you found it useful or inspiring, we invite you to leave us a like and subscribe so you don't miss other exciting topics about cooking and wellness. We would also love to know how you use sesame oil in your favorite recipes. Have you tried it in a salad, as a finishing oil, or in creative creams and sauces? Tell us in the comments. Remember, a balanced diet can also be delicious and sophisticated. Sesame oil is proof that healthy and pleasurable can go hand in hand. See you very soon in the next episode, where we will continue sharing resources, tips, and a genuine love for good cooking. Until next time.